Ford Fiesta 2009 position lamp don't work, just from one side. Now I will show you how I replace it. First step, we have to remove a wire connector. Here is what's broken. Someone trying to replace it incorrect. After, I use the Torx T30 and remove 2 bolts. Next step, I take this fork and remove few clips from the bumper. Okay, next step, we have to push up these lamps because underneath they have bracket. After removing, I will show you. This bracket. And it holds on this position. And for removing it, need a little bit take power, but be careful with bumper. You have to little bit pull in on the side. That's why I remove 2 clips on the side. Now easy remove the cap, and here is our position lamp. That's it. Our position lamp working, just 5-minute job, few tools and job done. Thank you for watching.